This channel is a member of the Astral Stars, which means we have a zero tolerance policy against the harassment of others. Anybody who violates that policy will be banned. For further information, please visit www.theastralstars.com. Alright guys and girls, welcome to yet another we have 800 repair videos. Another episode of Astral Auto Repairs. Can you dig it? Alright, check it out. Today we got a 2006 Chevy Impala LT. Customer's complaint, driving down the road, car starts shaking. Also,
she said wobbly.
Wobbly. She's wibbly wobbly. She said wobbly. To us, to mechanics, is shaking. So we're gonna check this car. We're gonna jack it up, check the front end, check the tires, check everything. A lot of times it could be a bubble in the tire that's causing that. All right, so let's get this car jacked up and check this front end out. We'll be right back. All right, we're on the left side. Got the car jacked up. What you want to do first? Dang, man, what the heck? You want to spin the tire around and take your hand and keep your hand above the top like this. Because what's going to happen is if there's a bubble or anything, you're going to feel it. And this thing needs tires is one to the side. The next thing you want to do is grab the tire at 9 o'clock and 3 o'clock and you want to shake it back and forth to see if you feel any play. Oh, heck yeah. We got a bunch of play over here, but I'm going to have to turn the wheel to see. It feels like a tie rod. I'm going to see if that's an inner tie rod or outer tie rod. But let's go over here to the other side. Man, we can say this needs a tire over here too. But let's spin this. Feels pretty smooth. All right, 9 o'clock and 3 o'clock. Oh, this is shaking also. So you know what I'm gonna do, guys? So you can see a good look at this. Let's see if I can. Never mind. You turn it to over here, the side like this. All right, you come over here. You see that rod right there?
No.
Hold on. I'll be right back, guys. Let me get a light. Be right back. All right. You see this rod right here? That's the inner tie rod. And on the outside, it's going to be the outer tie rod. We know what to do. On the other side, what I'm going to do is actually take the wheel off so you can see the other side. Now, as you can see, I'm shaking this. So we're trying to see if the outer tie rod is moving or the inner tie rod is moving. And it looks like, I mean, it's moving a little. You know, it's gonna be better for me to just take these tires off so we can get a better look at this. You know what, guys? All right, that's what I'm gonna do. I'll be right back. I'm gonna take these tires off. Be right back. All right, guys, I just took the lugs off, either 19 millimeter or 3/4. Pull this tire off. Thing, hold on, messed up and everything. Dang. All right, now let's turn this wheel all the way over here. Okay, this right here is the outer tie rod. From that point to that point. The rest of it, that wrong rod right here, that's the inner tie rod. Now, what good? Now that I got it off, now we're gonna shake this wheel. Huh, dang it. There it is. Now, if you look carefully, when I shake it, can you see that? Mm-hmm. All right, you're in the light. Okay, now when I shake it, you're gonna see the joint actually move before the tie rod itself move. Did it? What the heck? Wait a minute, do we got something else wrong here? That don't seem like it's moving. Oh man. Okay, watch this, guys, up here. Watch I shake the rotor. Look at the whole axle is moving. So we got a bad hub bearing over here. So our tie rod is good. Good thing we took this off, because that is moving pretty good. We got a bad hub bearing on this side. Now let's go over to the other side. We're gonna pop the wheel off and check that side out as well. Be right back. All right, we got our last bolt going out. Pull our tire off. All right, let's check this side now. Okay, now this one, now you watch when I shake this. Let me move this over this way. Now, you watch when I shake it, watch this, the spindle will move before the joint will. And I'm shaking up and down. All right, the hub, actually look at this. These studs look brand new. And this look kind of shiny. So this hub was over here, was replaced at one time. So we got an outer tie rod that's bad over here, and we got a hub assembly bad on the left side. So we're gonna put these tires back on, and we'll be right back.
Okay, so we just finished checking out the 2006 Chevy Impala and LT, and
right.
what is that all about?
That light is cool.
You're interrupting me.
Yeah, okay.
Okay. So the customer's complaint was that when she's driving down the road, it just drove really bad. We're not at that point yet. It drove really bad and it was wobbly. So after checking it out, we noticed that it needs a right side outer tie rod and a left side hub. So
Hey, this thing's gonna need tires.
it needs tires.
It should need struts.
Probably
Because
needs
hey,
a
I
bunch
forgot
of
to tell you, the number one reason why your front end parts will go is that if you got worn shocks or struts. Keep that in mind.
Also, is it not true that you could have a problem if your power steering isn't working right?
Right, if your power steering sucks, completely gone, you can put a lot of stress on your front suspension. So you make sure that's taken care of also.
Okay, so if you guys have any comments or questions, you can post them below in the comment section, or you can email Tim at
Timmy, no,
Timmy.
no, I should change it to Timmy.
See, now you just said it multiple times.
Okay.
Timmy. So you can email Tim at Timmy. No, at Tim. I said that backwards. You can email Timmy at tim@astralautorepairs.com. Hope you paid attention. If not, watch it again. This is Sylvia from Astral Auto Repairs. If we can't repair it, nobody can. See you next time.